How to turn on or off low blue light on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. And menu, go to settings. In settings, go to picture. And picture, go to picture mode settings. In picture mode settings, scroll down and go to expert settings. Okay, go to this. In expert settings, below you can see the low blue light. And the low blue light is off. If this turn off, I can reduce the emission of blue light. So if you want to turn on the low blue light, okay, click this and now you can see the option. So if you want to turn on, okay, select on button. And if you want to turn off again, select off button on blue light. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off low blue light on Devant Smart TV.